Hi guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY sewing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every third day. In video today, I'm going to be share with you guys the way to sew a hunter dress for summer with full lining. I'm going to go to the beach with my family, just a short trip, but I wanna prepare some outfit for summer vibes. I love something simple but look chic and pretty. I also love the outfit that makes me feeling good and comfortable in this weather. That's a reason why I decided to make this dress for me. It's absolutely for beach. Really cute, really sexy, really comfortable to wear all the day. Especially, it's super easy to sew, even though you are beginners. Okay, let's get started. I picked up a kind of organza fabric. It's very lightweight and can see through. I love the mustard yellow color because it helps the skin look brighter, especially under the sunshine. I also picked up a kind of fabric for lining part with the similar tone. I already prepared the button here. First, I will make a simple dress button like this with front side and back side. Then, at the front side, I draw a curved line, connect the neck point on the shoulder to the armhole. Doing the same with the back side and cut them out. Next, I'm going to cut off the arm dart and the bust dart and paste them like this. Then, I will cut the excess part at the armhole, doing the same with the back side. From the front and back neckline, I make the neck part. This is the front side, this is the back side, with 3 centimeter high, and the end of this is like a ribbon to tie a bow at the back side. Back to the body part, I will divide it in 3 parts like this. The back side also do that. Then, cut them out and paste them into a new paper with a distance of 4 centimeters for each panel. Then, I'm gonna make a new pattern from that with 113 centimeter length and 46 centimeter width at the bottom. Now, I got front side, back side and the neck part here. Let's cut our fabric. I'm gonna fold fabric in half to cut off front side and cut off 2 separate back panels and neck part also that. For the lining part, I also cut fabric like the main part, but the length of lining dress is shorter than the main one. Here are two panels of backside. Because there is not enough fabric, then I had to divide each part panels into three small pieces and connect them in one like this. Now, I'm starting to connect front side and back side together at both sides by my serger. Next, I'm working with the bottom line. First, I'm going to fold the fabric to the wrong side with 1 centimeter and stitching by my sewing machine. Then, I'm gonna use a pair of sub scissors and cut the excess fabric right beside the seam. After that, I'm going to fold one more time and stitching to finish the bottom hem. For the back side, I'm going to down 18 centimeters from top and stitching two back panels from there to the bottom by sewing machine and overlooking the raw fabric by my serger. For the lining part, I just do the same way. Now, I'm gonna apply the lining part and main part with right side together, and I'm going to connect them together at the keyhole of back side. It's just like this. Remember to iron them flat and nice. For the armhole, I also connect them together by sewing machine. But before that, I will use pin to keep the crossing in place. Next, I'm gonna understitch right beside the seam on the lining fabric to make the armhole look flat and nice. I also do it at the keyhole at the back side. Moving on to the neck part, I'm starting to stitching around the neckline. Do it on the lining part and main part at the same time. Then, I'm going to grab an upper thread and pull it to gather fabric. Next, I'm working with the stand band. Actually, I don't know if I can right name of this part or not. Please fit me if I'm wrong. I'm going to play two panels on each other with right side, and I mark the center point on both. And I'm gonna play the pattern on them to mark the position will be matching with dress. Now I'm going to stick on around with the distance of fabric that will be matched with dress. Then I will cut the excess fabric, turn the right side out and press them flat and nice. Before attaching the stand band to the dress, I'm going to cut the excess fabric and thread on dress first. Okay, now I just pin them in place and stitching them together. I will stitch in two times. First, I'm going to stick the main stand band and dress together. Next, I'm gonna pin the subsidiary stand band into the thread to keep them in place, and I will stitch them together to finish the dress. And here the final result. I absolutely love it. This dress is really pretty and adorable. It's literally for summer. Hope you love this dress like me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next Thursday. Bye!